Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-minute Gutenberg, and in this video we are going to discuss the uses and output of the code block, and which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. Click on the plus sign, go to common blocks and select code. You can type your quotation and the citation here. Like I'm typing a quotation, it always seems impossible until it's done. It's by Nelson Mandela. You can select your code and align it to the left, center or right. Make it bold, italic or hyperlinked or strike through, anything you want. Let's see how is the output. Yes, it's working. If you have any question, drop it. Not that. If you have any question regarding WordPress, Gutenberg or blogs, you can write it on the comment section below. We'll be happy to reply to your queries. Till then, goodbye.